I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your billing information on Webull, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Webull app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account or settings section. This is usually found in the bottom menu or under your profile icon. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, find the option for billing or payment methods. Click on it to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha: if you enter an incorrect expiration date, the system will prompt an error, so double check that field. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your information, look for Confirm or Save button to finalize the changes. You should receive a confirmation message once it's successful. Updating your billing information on Webull is straightforward once you know where to look. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy trading!